keep it real with the straight.
Great collectives, you know what we
Yo collective bike family, I've got the C100 V2 right here. I'm about to unbox it for you guys. So stay tuned and see what's in it.
Westy Prodako.
This video is featuring Bryce.
Yes, I have now joined along because he's so slow. You know it's sellotape, it just unwraps.
Yeah, I know. But obviously, for the cinematics, you want to see the cut, you want to go BAM!
Should we open up this little package because we need the Allen keys? Okay, so what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so it's going to open from the bottom. So all we need is these three for right now. So let's just undo these bars.
They're not, that's a stem.
Stem.
That's an Allen key.
I lost the Allen key. You have to do it in a threaded pattern like this, so then it don't just like round it off.
Why is it twisted?
Ah! Ah! You stupid cow! Wait!
No.
Wait!
Why does he still want to do that same bolt?
Because it's long. Hold it.
Or do you mean?
You cannot go now. You cannot go now.
Quick release, mate.
Okay, so is this where you'd like your bike, your bars, RJ? Well, you can do it after.
What were your way? Just gonna pump up the tyres and then we're good to go.
Ooh, are they the new colourway? The 270s?
No, these are my custom.
Oh, did you ID it?
Yeah. Now it's complete, it's time to shred. Oh, what? Let's go.
What the hell just happened?
That was what?
Your inner tube popped. Look at his inner tube.
That didn't even hurt. I'm
surprised the rim didn't blow.
How did it happen?
I think I don't know how much I done it up to.
Yeah, probably a bit too much.
But you could squeeze it when you done it, innit? Now it's time.
Gonna try it again?
Not again, not again.
No, you're gonna try really?
First try. I really like this bike. This has been the video. You can buy this bike online right now at collectivebikes.com. And yeah. yourself, have some fun. See you later.